Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the Fastrack FS1 Pro has enough charge. Low battery can disable always on. Once charged, press and hold the side button to wake the watch. This opens the main menu quickly. Tap the settings icon to enter system options, because always on lives in display controls. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the paired phone is nearby for any firmware prompts. This avoids interruptions during the change and prepares the device for immediate display adjustments. Once in settings, scroll to display or screen. These labels hold the always on option and you need to locate it precisely. Tap always on display, you'll see a toggle. Turn it on to enable continuous time visibility. Next, choose the AOD style. Pick minimal for battery savings or a full clock if you prefer complications. After selection, the watch may ask to confirm brightness and timeout. Adjust them because they directly affect battery life and legibility during the day or night. You finish by confirming changes and letting the watch apply them. This usually takes a few seconds. Test always on by locking the screen or lowering your wrist. The chosen face should remain visible at the set brightness. If it doesn't appear, reboot the watch and recheck the display settings. Make sure firmware is up to date, because outdated software often blocks AOD. If problems persist, disable power-saving modes and try again, as those modes commonly override always-on settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.